brothers and sisters and misses and misters, here's your daddy-o with the sounds to go. No shucking, no jive, and I'm telling you, your music's arriving. Ha ha, what I say. It's Mel Mounds here with our special request game called The Same as Your Name. That's right, one of you lucky listeners out there will get a chance to pick the next song. And the name of that song will have a sound that sounds the same as your name. I'll show you just how it works, but first, let's pick the picker. I'll spin now a pick of the pack picker, which contains the names of all you.
We apologize for interrupting your program. Information will be displayed in a moment. This emergency broadcast has been broadcast by the request of the United Kingdom Government and Her Majesty. Yesterday, 17th of December, 1971, at 19 hours and 9 minutes, a clip of the German Führer, Adolf Hitler, was shown on the NHC channel and many more channels across the UK. This was reported to be a TV hijacking by an unknown individual. But today, at 10:05 a.m., a reported 709 individuals who had seen the TV hijacking happen have reportedly gone mentally insane. These accounts of mentally insane acts include murder, use of firearms, throwing of objects onto other people, reckless driving, etc. People have even reported strange behavior from affected individuals, such as speaking the German language, screaming insults in the German language, and even raising the arm in a way of hailing the old Führer. Since the first hijacking, it has happened 15 more times on all UK television channels. Due to this, we shall now seize all NHC channels as per the request of the British government and Her Majesty. We advise you to not go out at this time as the affected individuals still roam the streets. Lock all doors and windows, close curtains, and stay safe. Please await further information. A reported 5,000 touchdowns plus more individuals have been affected throughout the country. This also managed to travel worldwide as people who watched the hijacking and left the country either by plane or ship have managed to transfer this illness to other individuals abroad, proving that the illness is transferable. Once again, stay home and await further information. The number of affected individuals has steeply risen, now at 750 million cases worldwide. Now practically the entirety of Britain has been conquered by this illness. If you are reading this message, you might be one of the last standing British. Considering the rate at which the illness is spreading, it might be soon until the world ends. It is probably best to say bye to any loved ones if left. You can commit suicide if wanted, either by using a gun or knife. Please don't attempt it if you have any children nearby. Thank you for always being a part of the NHC channel. It was a pleasure having you. May we meet again one day. On that note, we would like to end on our national anthem.